It was great in the beginning, you thought, but then, quickly shut down. It sucked. And that's just the way things go, apparently. Things to get you, but won't do the things to keep you. Won't give it 110% to keep you. And that's a problem. What up, everyone? I'm Heatfire, and in this video, things are always good in the beginning. Alright, let's get it. So this is my 5th time making this video. The first 4 times I press record, I end up talking for 20 minutes each time, and that's too long of a video for me. So I'm gonna shorten it up. I've already done it 4 times already. I'm gonna shorten it up even more and just get to the points that I want to talk about. All right. So the first thing I want to talk about is being motivated. So I started this channel back in 2008, and I was extremely motivated to make content, and then life got in the way, and I took 15 years to want to get back into the swing of things. And recently it's been 3 weeks since I've only put out one video a week, and to me that's bad. I want to put out more content. It's just the motivation to do it. I have to find that deep within myself somewhere. I don't want to put out filler content because I don't believe in filler content. The content that I do want to push out, I want it to mean something to someone who finds this channel, and hey, improve their life somehow, some way. And I started making videos back in November, and that was good. I started putting out content maybe 3 a week, 2 a week, and recently it's been 1 a week. And I want to change that. The only way I can change that is to stay focused and to keep doing what I'm doing already, and to not be a slouch. That's basically what I'm getting at. Things are good in the beginning when it comes to relationships too. So when people do find each other, they'll do things to, capture the person's attention, to make them like the other person. They like each other. Could be simple gestures that they do for one another, like massaging each other or whatever. Or the man massages the woman's feet, or she won't, whatever. Yeah, goes both ways, whatever. And then they stop, and it starts to taper off, and it dwindles off. The sex is good in the beginning, and then after whatever how many times, it sucks. And it's human nature, I guess, to just be lazy for the time being. We give it our all in the beginning, and then it tapers off. Poor performance. Starts off great, poor performance later on. With jobs, incentive. Hey, get hired. We'll give you a $1,000 sign-on bonus. You're like, hey, yeah, all right. You go, you get hired. You do the job. False advertisement. They don't even give you that $1,000 incentive, and you're like, what gives? So you stay with that company for many, many years to see if things will improve, and it just doesn't improve. It was great in the beginning, you thought, but then quickly shut down. It sucked. And that's just the way things go, apparently. Things to get you, but won't do the things to keep you. Won't give it 110% to keep you. And that's a problem. And for me, my goal for this channel is I don't want to work corporate America my whole life. I don't want to do that. I'd rather make content that's meaningful, that gives a value for myself, and not only for myself, but for you guys also. I do thank you guys for watching my content. And typically what I do is when I'm making a video, if it takes me more than 20 minutes to make a video, I'm doing way too much. Because who knows, maybe only 5 people will watch this video. Hey, it can happen. If I'm making a thumbnail, it takes me more than 20 minutes for a thumbnail, I know I'm doing too much. You can spend a lot of time making, thumbnails in post-production. With this particular thumbnail, it took me 2 minutes. I already knew what I wanted to put out there. I had a vision for it, saw it, boom, here it is. There's the thumbnail. All right, 2 minutes. The little, tweaks here and there, but that's what it is. And a lot of YouTubers, they do end up quitting YouTube just because it's a one-man show most of the time. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of dedication, and it sucks when you're putting out content that nobody watches. That's another thing. It sucks when you're wanting to get to a certain subscriber count, but in a certain amount of time, and it doesn't happen. And it sucks when you're spending hours editing a video, again, and no one's watching it. Shit happens. But it's always a marathon. It's never a sprint. Sometimes you'll get content creators that have millions of subscribers, but won't even get maybe 50,000 people to watch that video. Flip side, you can have someone with 1,000 subscribers and they'll have 500,000 viewers. So I guess it just depends on who the content creator is and what value they give to their audience. And whatever that connection is that I have with my audience, I don't know what that connection is yet. So I'm still learning it. In order for me to learn what that is truly, I have to put out different formats of content. Niching, that's what they call it, niche. I don't know what my niche is. I just get on here and I talk about what I'm going through. And if it connects with someone, great. If it doesn't, hey, maybe I'm not the content creator for you. But, my goal is I do want to reach my milestone. I don't know how long it's going to take me. Typically, they say it takes 3 years to reach 1,000 subscribers. And 3 years can come and go like that, really, really fast. But consistency is always key. And you guys, whatever you're doing in life, if you have a goal, pretty sure you have one. It's hard to stay focused, but you're watching this video, I'm telling you to stay focused. It's easy to become a slouch. It's easy to become lazy. Keeping things up, it takes a lot of hard work. Keeping it up. If you want to get that good body tone, you got to work at it. You have to work at it. If you're making a project, you can slouch off, won't even touch it for a month. And, with me, I like the audio that you're hearing, the music that you hear in the background, that takes time to make. Sometimes I don't even want to make new music for this channel. I really don't. But I know if I keep at it, I'll get better at it. And then who knows, maybe later on down the line, people want to purchase something. Who knows? I just got to keep at it. But if I stop now, I'll never know. And again, like I said, I've already made this video. This is my 5th time making it. I just want to keep it short. I don't want to keep rambling. I don't want this to be a therapy session. I just want to, get this video out for this week. And I tell myself to make more content. There are a lot of things I do want to talk about. And this is one of them. I have more ideas. I want to do skits. Like I said earlier, previous videos, I want to do skits for this channel. I want to continue to make video gaming videos on this channel. I started the channel back in 2008. I took 14 years off. 14 years. And yeah, now I'm back at it after 14 years. If I would have kept at it, who knows? Who knows? But in order for me to know what it's going to become now, I have to keep at it. So, if you guys, I thank you for watching my content. And if this is your first time here, thank you. If you've already been here before, thank you. Continue to watch my content, please. Yeah, so I think that's just kind of sum it up right there. Like I said, 20 minutes is too long for a video for me. I'm just gonna end it there. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching my content again. I appreciate it. And again, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you guys next time. Wait.